Yeah, one. Oh.
मैं वही सोच रहा था कुछ नया कर रहे हो आज.
Thank you.
For the restaurant launch and it's a relaunch. So what do you think about the restaurant and everything?
I've just sampled a lot of the starters and a lot of the food, and I think that it's absolutely fabulous. And definitely a place that looks after the quality of its food will do very well. And I think Five is definitely doing that.
So what is the best thing about you like about the restaurant right now?
As of now, the starters, I love it. And I also love the decor.
Decor you like?
Yes, yes.
So basically, what is one of the best hotel you like to visit and anywhere in country?
One of the best hotels,
Yeah.
eating joints. I love anything Thai and Chinese.
Thai and Chinese.
Yeah.
What about Indian food?
Indian food, yes. I really like the food in Pali Bhavan.
So hoping to see you anytime in movies.
Yes, hopefully soon. When I get an offer that I like, then for sure.
So you're selecting the scripts and everything right now.
I'm not getting anything I like as of now.
Okay. So what are your career future plans? Anything?
Yes, definitely I will continue acting. Whether it's in films or in TV, we'll see. But definitely I will continue acting.
Okay, now Diwali is coming, so I would request you to wish Diwali, and tomorrow is a Dhanteras.
Hey, this is Preeti Jhangiani and wishing all the viewers a very, very happy Dhanteras and a safe and prosperous Diwali.
So you have come for the restaurant relaunch, that's a relaunch.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say about it?
Well, a couple of things. The restaurant, which was actually originally started by Roy, has fantastic food. So the most important thing in any restaurant, other than the ambience and the setting, is actually the food. And secondly, this one started by Sanjeev Tikku. He's a very, very dear friend. He's a great guy. And for him, food is passion. So we know that the quality of food, the way he's going to run the restaurant, it's actually कि आपको वो खुद अपने घर बुला के खाना खिलाएगा. So it's fantastic, यार. I'm glad to be here.
So what's the best thing you liked about this restaurant right now when you enter it?
Yeah, obviously the decor is fantastic. But more than that, I must say that the food is great. And it's got a great vibe. For me, I don't really go out too much, but when I do, I want to have a good vibe. It should be welcoming. The place should be warm. और इस जगह में सारी वो बातें हैं. It's very well done, very aesthetically done. और खाना बहुत अच्छा है. और इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए?
So you have tasted any of the dish right now and did you like it something?
Yeah, I had all the starters. Since I've been here, I'm not much of a drinker, but I love food. I'm a Bengali, so me and Mansi both have been trying out the starters. And they're all good. We haven't had the main course yet, but we will, and I'm sure it'll be good.
Okay, so what's your plan for Diwali this year? Holidays or somewhere?
Diwalis are fixed. On 23rd, there is a fixture which has not changed for many years now. So it starts with dinner at Ronit's house with my older brother and ends with Amitji's house. And this has been going on. It's like a ritual. So unless Amitji doesn't have a party, it's fixed that one has to go there. And it's great because you meet so many of your friends, and we have a lot of common friends. We've known each other for the longest time. And but it all starts at Ronit's house.
So one place you always have been visiting, like in country you keep on visiting many places, and one dish you always like it.
One dish I always like. One dish I always like, that would be palak paneer. I know it sounds very boring, but yeah, palak paneer.
Okay. And what?
अभी पसीना चाले सर, पसीना चाले. बोल रहा
Diwali समय, what is your favorite dish in Diwali?
My favorite dish in Diwali would be money.
Money? Oh.
To win money.
Okay. And so any future plan about your movie and everything you can talk about?
Yeah, plans are going on, but right now I don't think it's the correct time or place to talk. And also it's very hot and I'm sweating.
Okay, so Diwali.
पसीना बस.
एक Diwali wish कर दे बस.
Okay. Hi, this is Rohit Roy और मेरे परिवार वालों की तरफ से आप सभी को दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं. Have a fantastic Diwali and have a great year. Be safe.
Thank you. You are entered for the relaunch of Mr. Roy and Shittu.
Yeah.
So what do you feel about it? What do you have to say about it?
Well, I'm a huge fan of the restaurant for the last, I think, 14, 15 years that they were at another venue. And now that they're here and it's my friend's place, so it's wonderful, yeah.
So basically, you enter. What's the best thing you like about this restaurant?
All the people. It's lovely. Yeah. It's just open, so it's still new. The first time I'm coming here. But it's fantastic, yeah. It's wonderful. It's a great vibe. It's looking good, great music, good food. What else do you want here?
So do you have tasted any of these food over here?
I have just come in. I've just tasted some of the starters which are here, and they're pretty good.
Okay, so you keep on roaming various regions. The best dish you always like it?
The best dish I like butter chicken. Boss, I'm a desi.
Desi,
Simple.
Achha, one-
Actually, my choice is very strange. I like butter chicken with Chinese fried rice.
Butter chicken.
You
with
should try it.
fried
Yeah, you should try it.
I'll make a point.
Yeah.
And one more thing. So best dish for Diwali, which you like, sweets or what do you like in Diwali? Best to have it. Always you
I don't like to eat. I like to drink on Diwali.
Okay, you like to bring Diwali. Achha, one more thing. So what are your future plan about movies and everything when talking?
No future plans now. Yeah, movies is later. Right? Happy Diwali.
Okay, we'll wish happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali to all of you all. Have a great and glorious time and a fabulous New Year.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thanks, buddy.
So the relaunch of the Mr. Roy and People's event, restaurant. So how do you feel? What do you have to say about it?
I love the place. The food is great. You know, it's got a really nice, positive vibe about it, and everybody's having a good time.
What's the best thing you like about the restaurant?
I always like a lot of light. So I love the big, French windows, if you want to call them.
Have you tasted any of the dishes in the restaurant right
Sorry?
now? Have you tasted any of the dishes in the restaurant right now?
Yeah, I've tasted some of the food. Yeah.
So what's the best food you like for Diwali? Sweets, or what are the best sweet you like in Diwali? As Diwali season is coming up.
Being a Delhi boy, I love jalebi and rabdi.
Okay, Diwali is
Yeah.
Okay, so Diwali is in the corner. So can you wish Diwali for the viewers?
Hi, this is Praveen Dabas and wishing you all a very happy Diwali.